This video will assist you in assembling the 12 feet giant-sized skelly. Estimate installation time: 1 hour. Number of people required: 2 to 3 people. M6 hex wrench included. Throughout the assembly, right and left are relative to the character. Place the right foot, B, and left foot, C, onto their corresponding pole on the base, A. Connect the right lower support pole, D, and the left lower support pole, E, to their corresponding pole available on the base, A. Slide the right shin, F, over the right lower support pole, D, and slide the left shin, G, over the left lower support pole, E. Attach an upper support pole, H, to both the right lower support pole, D, and the left lower support pole, E. Slide the right femur, I, over the upper support pole, H, on the right side and fit onto the right shin, F. Slide the left femur, J, onto the upper support pole, H, on the left side and fit onto the left shin, G. Attach the pelvis, K, to the upper support poles, H, and fit onto the right femur, I, and left femur, J. Lean the assembly onto the box it came in for easier assembly. Attach the spinal support, L, to the top of the pelvis, K. Slide the rib cage, M, over the spinal support, L. Then connect the cable from the rib cage, M, to its corresponding cable from the pelvis, K. Then fit the rib cage, M, onto the pelvis, K. Screw the loop screw, T, into the threading available in the hole at the upper back of the rib cage, M. With the screw access hole facing the grooves on the shoulder shaft, set the right upper arm, N, onto the right shoulder of the rib cage, M. Use the hex wrench to tighten the screw in place. Do not over-tighten. Arm position should be adjusted only after arms are attached with screw-facing grooves. Set the left upper arm, O, onto the left shoulder area of the rib cage, M, so that the screw lines up with the grooves at the shoulder. Use a hex wrench to tighten the screw in place. Connect the right forearm, P, to the right upper arm, N, by using an insert and twist motion. Connect the left forearm, Q, to the left upper arm, O, by using an insert and twist motion. Arms can now be posed by raising or lowering. Set the tether cable, U, onto the hook available at the right side of the base, A, and then thread the tether cable, U, through the loop screw, T. Then set the other end of the tether cable onto the hook available at the left side of the base, A. Connect the cables from the bottom of the head, R, to their corresponding cables available at the top of the rib cage, M. Tuck the excess cables into the cavity available at the top of the rib cage, M, and secure the head, R, onto the rib cage, M, using an insert and twist motion. Plug the adapter, W, into the adapter receiver available on control panel or underside of the pelvis, K. Stand the assembly up with one person pressing down on the back of the base, A, and another person lifting up by the rib cage, M. Attach the base extensions, S, to each corner of the base, A. If the skeleton is assembled on soft ground, insert the stakes, B, through the holes and into the ground at each corner of the base, A. The controls for turning on the LCD eyes and toggling between the eye options are under the pelvis, K. The remote control, X, can also be used to change settings. Position the 12 feet giant-sized skelly on flat surfaces only. Your 12 feet giant-sized skelly is now fully assembled. Plug in and turn on to let the fun begin.